No, I'm not.
Cause okay, so you're not gonna get in unless you join
Ah,
there.
um,
So
it's all good. I guess I could just wait.
you don't want to join that group?
Eh, yeah, I guess I can try to. All right. What's the link for the
Yeah,
group?
I'll give it to you.
I'm trying to figure
You
out
can
how to.
leave it
I'm trying to
after
figure
you're
out
done
how to
testing.
stream. Still,
You don't know how to
everything is
I thought
broken.
you were a Twitch master, dude.
I'm using YouTube. I don't know what I'm doing.
I thought you said you weren't using YouTube.
No, I'm gonna use YouTube, but I can't do the schedule thing, so it's just gonna run live.
Lapertite.
It's that one
Link
now.
to steamcommunity.com.
Thank you.
Once you join there, do you have the mobile authenticator thingy on?
I do, yeah.
Okay, perfect. So you're likely candidate. You're probably gonna get the stress test
Okay.
next time.
I'm so confused. Does anyone know where the push to talk feature is in OBS, by chance?
It's on hotkeys, should be.
Well, I know how to. Oh, there's a checkbox I didn't click. Okay, that makes a lot more sense. Thanks. Alright, I'm live and I don't know where I'm live at.
You're live here.
YouTube TV / Mayor B TV.
Are you really? Or are you just
Just
saying
making
that?
things up.
Well, you can probably just go to my YouTube homepage and find it. Give me 1 sec, I'll link it. I'm guessing here. I've literally never done this. That is not a pretty.
Nothing.
Fuck.
Go to your channel.
Wait. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I can see it. It's like right by the uploads. Boring server stuff, right?
Yeah, that's the one.
I see it.
There you go. Oh, I should have just clicked on that and then linked that. My bad. The more you know.
Damn, son, look at all these friends lists you have, man. You're super popular, dude.
Not anymore. I just closed the list. Alright. I'm gonna
I'm
throw
just
some
gonna pause
windows
it.
up here. Wait, what's that?
Pause that whole list, B.
Just let it eat her.
I can see it all.
Oh no. Alright. I'm gonna close out of the Steam
Oh,
stuff
hello,
here.
please.
I like your wallpaper, man.
Thanks, thanks.
You know those are those are fractals.
Fractals.
Yeah. Fractals are pretty fun. Alright, so this window thingy that I dragged over here first, it's called VMware Workstation.
Mm-hmm.
It's for virtualizing on your desktop itself. And then the other window that might have opened up in the stream by now is called ESXi. It's made by the same company, but it's free. You just install it like on a server itself, and then you can run virtual machines off of that.
What is a virtual machine?
It's basically a computer that's virtualized within another one.
Does that
It's like
hinder your
Inception for
performance on your
computers.
original computer?
What's that?
Inception.
Does that hinder the performance of your own computer?
If you allot it too much of your resources, then yes.
Mm-hmm.
For the server that I have downstairs, actually I should have a photo of that. Give me 1 second. But yeah, the server that I have downstairs is like, it's an actual like dual socket 4-core per socket server.
Mm-hmm.
And it has that ESXi client installed on it.
Mm-hmm.
That's just like a free download from VMware, who's the people who made it.
Danis entered channel.
Hi, Dev.
I didn't.
Manus.
Okay, so you said you're using the virtual machine to run Mumble, TF2 server, and what else?
Oh, each one is its own virtual machine on the server. I have the picture up on the screen there.
Oh, yeah,
of
I
it.
see it. Nice.
And the thing on top of it is a 24-port switch, and then the black box that's on top of that is a external hard drive.
What are the benefits of running this over just a computer?
Like using this setup, you mean?
Like, just without using virtual machines, what are the benefits of
Oh.
using a virtual machine?
You can segment. I'm trying to think of the way to like explain it best. You can like segment off parts of your like hardware resources.
Mm-hmm.
Like a lot, for instance, like Mumble doesn't need much of of anything besides bandwidth. It needs like very little CPU, very little memory. So
Mhm.
you can give it like 500 megabytes of memory to work with total and one core, and it will only ever take up that much at the very most. I think I gave it like 1 gig of RAM. I'm not sure.
Okay.
What are you guys doing?
Just
B is
chilling.
showing us how he sets up his servers.
Yeah.
So the B, DC1, DC2, those are all your virtual machines?
Yeah. Okay, so the one that's on the right is the vSphere client. That's only the stuff that's running on the actual server.
Mm-hmm.
VMware Workstation, you can connect to ESXi servers and also host virtual machines on your computer itself. So I usually use Workstation because I can manage both from the same place.
Oh, cool.
So everything you see in Workstation, or everything you see in ESXi is also visible in Workstation plus one more.
What's the Christie server?
TF2 server.
Oh, okay. Hey, man. Sounds really cool. This is all
Oh,
running
wow.
off of your computer or your work computer?
All of this is, well, all of these virtual machines are running off of that server I showed the picture of earlier.
Mm-hmm.
That's
Oh,
in
right,
the
the computer
basement.
downstairs.
Yeah, and then one virtual machine, the one that's under the shared VMs section, that one is the one running off of my desktop.
I see.
And
That's
also,
really neat, man.
I just found out that my push to talk doesn't work when I'm actually like clicked into the virtual machine. So if I just stop talking for like a while, that would
You sound
probably be
fine.
why.
Oh, okay.
I was trying to talk like while I was clicked into it, nothing was happening, so I was confused.
B, man, how'd you learn all this stuff, man? This seems really complicated.
Asking people and just like an interest in like wanting to learn how to do it.
YouTube.com.
YouTube.com.
Also that.
Very nice, dude. You're running Windows 10, right?
Yeah.
Nice.
Windows 10 actually has virtualization software built into it.
Yeah,
long as
I
your
think that's
CPU
for Pro,
supports
though,
it.
right?
I don't know. All I know is I have Pro. I've
It's
never
just,
tried
yeah, I think
without
it's just
Pro.
for Pro.
If you, do you have Windows 10?
I have Home, though.
Oh, well, just open up your start menu
Mm-hmm.
and type in hyper-v. I can't enable it because Workstation and Hyper-V don't play well
Yeah,
together.
I don't have it.
Okay. Well, does it say turn Windows features on or off when you type
No,
that
it
in?
just directs me to like look up web searches.
You should be able to get to it from programs and features, because even with Home, you should be able to at least install the manager, which manages other servers. That wouldn't do you any good, but like you can at least see if you have the option or not.
Mm-hmm. That's pretty neat, man.
Channel, Clapertite, BRB Food 3. Channel, Hooli, 3.
Boot my computer. And then after the reboot, you'd be good to go.
Yeah, how many computers do you own now?
Working or just owned?
Like all together?
Well, and also, do I include like the work ones
The
that
work,
are
right,
loaned
yeah.
to me? Because I don't technically own those.
But you use them. How many
Yeah.
computers do you use?
Well, I have one work computer that's just a desktop, Chromebook, the MacBook, my desktop, the server downstairs, and like a laptop from like 2009.
Jesus Christ.
And I think I have 2 broken or half-broken laptops sitting in a laundry hamper in the corner of my room.
It's a lot of computers, man.
Yeah.
Are you still running the the Tri-SLI 680s?
I wish I had SLI 680s. No, I gave my my brother,
The
my
680?
half brother, one of the 680s. Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool.
So I'm using the one that you gave me as a dedicated PhysX card.
Nice, dude.
Yeah.
Wait, what? Dedicated what?
Dedicated PhysX.
What does that do? What happens if you dedicate a whole card to physics?
It's well, for games that support it.
It makes it a lot easier, like, for you to run it.
Oh, I don't even have it set up to do it properly right now. Anyway, I'm enabling that now. But for games that support it, PhysX is like an NVIDIA thing. The only games I can think of offhand that support it are like Borderlands. But basically, that entire card is dedicated just to processing those physics calculations. Like, the way that PhysX was like described to me from an online forum was like, think of like the old James Bond video games.
Mm-hmm.
Like, when you watch someone die, they die in like one of 3 animations or something like that.
Right.
Like, no matter where you shoot them, they fall down. Like, you could shoot them in the knee or the
Exact
head,
same
and they'll
way,
fall
right?
down the same way. With PhysX, it does like real-time calculations based on, like, this is just for like shooters. It can be used in other applications.
So like TF2,
but...
right? When the ragdolls essentially.
Well,
Is that
that's
physics?
actually its own. That's like a physics engine, but that's not like NVIDIA's PhysX. That's like a proprietary thing. It's
Oh, I
like
see.
PhysX.
Could you still essentially do the same thing though? Dedicate a card to that for that one purpose.
I mean, you'd probably have to like write the coding for
Oh,
that
okay.
yourself. I would guess. I have no idea. It's theoretically possible, probably, but I don't know much about it.
Yo, dude, do you know if SLI causes like input lag? I would assume it would
I've-
because like each card has to read what the other one's doing, right?
Yeah,
But I'm not-
they like work like in sync with one another, but I heard that the latency is higher than the performance gains for, I think, like three or 4, but 2 is a slight improvement.
Okay.
I don't really
Just-
think it's worth it from what I've read. Let's see here. All right, so today I actually set up a domain for my home network. What that is like a Windows virtual machine, or like a Windows server. It's running as a virtual machine. It doesn't have to be a virtual machine though.
So when you say it's a virtual machine, it pretty much works like a regular computer, right? You can
Yeah,
like,
it runs
go
as
on,
like a
the home
regular.
screen and stuff.
Yeah, like here, I'll connect to
What?
like a Windows virtual machine. Give me 1 second.
It's fucking crazy, dude.
Like, I have one set up just for like torrenting, for instance. That's what this one is. I'm
Oh,
still
really?
working
You have
on.
one for torrenting? Wait, why would you want a virtual machine for torrenting?
I clicked into the virtual machine. Sorry. I run
Sorry.
a VPN client,
Mhm.
and it works great, but I hate the way that it works because it like gives me a pop-up every time I start the computer.
Mhm.
And also, like, I want to be able to game while I torrent, and it's not really practical to game when you're connecting to a server outside of the United States. So I'd rather have a virtual machine connect to a server outside the United States for downloads while I
Okay.
still can play my games and whatnot.
Interesting.
Channel, Clapertite, LMAO no.
Why are you typing, R2? Why are you typing?
Because Holy made that face. It annoys me.
Oh, the cat
You
face?
can't make that face, yeah.
Billy always makes
I
that
forgot
face.
you
It's
hate
his
No,
cat-
you
it's his,
can't. It's just
his
like
slogan.
non-Holy.
It's who
It's
he
like
is.
non-Holy.
Right, Holy?
No.
Just doesn't seem like a holy thing.
AFK.
It's a holy thing, man.
It's not a Holy thing.
So yeah,
It's
Strace,
illegal.
B's
Hmm?
saying that he can run like
Channel,
multiple
Dennis,
computers off of one. Like right now, I don't know if you see the window.
channel,
He's running like a whole
Clapertite,
different computer.
no.
Wait, which window? Which window are we talking? Second link or
Are you?
first?
You're not watching?
1 second. No, I was getting food.
Channel, Danis,
Okay,
Cap
so
Pro.
whoa, what are all these windows?
Yeah, there's like one in the middle. I don't know if you can see
Uh-huh.
it, where like he's running a whole different computer off of like the computer. It's like an inception of computers. It's really crazy.
Yeah.
Oh. Is this wait, this is Windows?
Yeah, I have
Yeah,
a
it's,
Windows 10
Windows
virtual
10.
machine running
Oh.
so that I can torrent like
Compute
save.
Wait,
like
is
in
this
a
on
computer.
Linux? Or
The host downstairs is running ESXi, which is like a proprietary operating system based on Linux.
Mhm.
But you can like virtualize Linux
Is this
distros,
draining? Is this draining B?
like
Draining
physically
to
taxing, or
because it only says CPU like 7% is being used.
oh that's
So it's like-
my home computer.
Oh.
Here, that's what my oh well I forgot that there's a delay, but I just clicked over to another thing. Basically there's 8 CPUs, or because there's 8 cores, it shows it as 8 CPUs. 4 cores per socket, and there's dual socket in there. So like I can get that close to max CPU usage, but that server is the one that's downstairs, and that's literally only doing virtualization. It does nothing but virtualization.
Dude, I just realized you're using 20 gigabytes of RAM. How the fuck
Yeah.
are you using 24 gig or 20 gigabytes? That's
Well,
insane.
did you look at the desktop? Because it's using
Mhm.
more.
Okay. That's
Um,
insane, dude.
Yeah, I use a caching software
Dude,
for
I
that.
just realized you can play TF2 with yourself, pretty much.
Channel,
Like, if you want to MGE,
Clippertide,
What?
you can just like set up another like a virtual machine, and you can play MGE with himself.
No. What? No.
No.
Wait, do it. I want to see that. I can't imagine it.
Oh, what's the
Oh.
point? Now I can finally play co-op games because I have no friends. Yo, that's really cool though. I'm really impressed that you know all this stuff, man.
So remember that
Some of
Plex-
it, I'm gonna be
oh,
honest, some of it's like going a little bit over my head. I'm sorry.
No, you're
Some of
fine.
it's
You're
going
fine.
a little bit over my head, but I think I get the gist of it. You're running multiple servers so that like you can like you don't have any like problems. It's not like taxing too much on your computer when you're doing other things, right?
Yeah,
assume.
like I was running all of my virtual machines on my desktop before I fired that server back up.
Mm-hmm.
I was trying like a few different things with it, and nothing was working out, so I just went back to ESXi. But anyway, like I was running like 5 virtual machines and like playing video games without any issue whatsoever.
Very nice, dude.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
You're a wizard, man.
As long as you have the RAM to do it, it doesn't take much CPU unless you're doing like certain like really intensive tasks. Like for instance, that Plex server that I invited you to, Oak.
Mm-hmm.
I gave that server 4 cores, so it can by itself use up half the CPU usage of that entire server.
Oh, nice, dude. And does this cost you anything?
Just the electricity.
Just the electricity, okay. Very nice, B-Man.
The one that I'm logging into right now is the Plex server. But to install it, like this may seem like really daunting, but to install it, it was literally type in a command line to download one file,
Mm-hmm.
and then type in another line to run the installer of that file.
Mm-hmm. You're
then-
running this all through command, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you'll see a like a line of green text show up in a couple seconds. Well, probably like 30 seconds or so. But one of those is the installer for the media server.
Mm-hmm.
You literally just run one command, and it installs it in about 5-10 seconds, something like that. Depends on the speed of your hard drive, and then you're good
Nice.
to go. Everything else you do in the web browser.
Bro, did I tell you about the new hard drives, the M.2s that they have now?
Yeah, I was looking into it, but my motherboard doesn't support it.
They're really nice, dude. They're so tiny.
Do you
They
have
just,
one?
like yeah. You just put them into the
Nice.
motherboard now. You don't need any cables. It's
Oh,
very
wow.
nice.
Wow.
What's the performance like?
Wow.
Thanks for that, Huli.
To be honest, I'm not sure because I've never had a SSD before. But I know that my boot ups are like so fast, dude. Like they boot up like in 5 seconds.
Race you, bitch.
You
You wanna go? You wanna go? You wanna go? You wanna go?
serious?
Yeah, I'm serious.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Just tell me when.
Are you guys just gonna like reboot and then
I think
whoever
we
makes
are.
it back into
Yes.
mobile
I
first
think we
wins?
Are you ready?
yeah.
Are you on the
Ready.
restart button?
Dude, I'll do the countdown. I'll do the countdown. You guys
Okay.
ready?
I'm ready.
Alright. 3, 2, 1. Reboot.
Oak disconnected. Hooli disconnected.
Uh-oh, who's gonna make it? Guys, place your bets, gentlemen. Who's gonna
Oak's
make
gonna
it?
win. Oak's gonna win.
Oak, yeah, I say Oak too. What if they're faking it? We'll
Oh
never
Jesus!
know.
Oh Jesus!
Someone's a nail biter.
Oh my god, it's actually taking a while.
I
Yeah,
thought
wait,
Oak
what do
would
they have
be
to sign
here
in
already.
to? Yeah, they have to sign in and
Yeah,
stuff?
yeah. I bet you do, Strays. I bet you got your password set up
Yeah.
with like 3 different passwords.
Dude, I
Three
would have
different,
connected by
3
now.
different levels.
Theirs is bad. I would have connected by now.
Oak connected.
Oh,
Oak
Did I
alert
win?
channel.
Did I win?
yeah.
Yeah, boy.
It took you 50 seconds, but
Really nice.
Oak is the winner.
Dude, Julie's still not bad.
Hooli connected.
Hello.
Dude,
You
you
suck,
still got
Julie, you suck.
owned,
In
man.
from Gangstar
Huh?
Gang Gaming
He's
by
got
the server.
owned.
Huli, you got beat by roughly 10 seconds.
Wow.
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 Wait, does
Wow,
it
would you
really
look
take
at
that
that?
long?
What?
Yeah.
No, wait,
If you include the shutting down, yeah.
so if I just press restart, it'll work?
Yeah.
Okay, wait, let me try.
You press restart?
Oh wait,
Yeah,
count
I'll
it down.
press it.
Count it down for Devin.
On your mark, get set, go.
Is she racing
Clipper
herself?
tight
What the fuck?
disconnected.
No, we're just doing time now. We're just.
we could just tell like by the mumble like timestamp.
I know, that's what we're doing.
Like you don't have to do a countdown.
I can't do math, dude. I need Devin to count for me. I only have 10 fingers.
I actually don't know how to math either, so you're kind of fucked.
Devin, what's 12 times 12?
140 something. 48?
144.
Whatever, dude.
Quick, what's the
Clipper
square root of
tight
144?
Okay, it
Well,
does take
One
that
That
long.
was
'cause
pretty fast.
Yeah, it takes because it takes like a couple seconds to like exit out of all my programs.
Yeah.
And then wait, now I want to do it again. Hold on, I'm gonna do it one more time.
I
I
mean,
think
Strays is
Strays
racing
the fastest
herself.
one.
Alright, let
What
me
was your
try
time?
again.
It was like, look at Mumbo. It was like,
Yeah,
Can't
it was
do
pretty
math.
fast. It was roughly 40 seconds.
Okay, I'm gonna try again. This
Okay.
time, all the
Mine will
stuff
take
is close.
forever.
here we go,
Right.
bitch.
Hooli
Countdown?
disconnected.
Yeah.
Disconnected.
fuck this. This nigga won't beat. I'm pretty sure Strays is gonna win.
Like, here we go, bitch.
Let's go. Strays only took
Huli's
40
super
seconds and
serious.
Huli took like a minute.
Mm-hmm.
Clipper tight connected.
Yeah.
Clipper tight entered
Damn.
channel.
And he
That
had a
was
head
it.
start too.
Strays, you're a god.
Yep.
Damn.
Oh, my computer sucks though. When I play TF2, everything just goes
Holy
to shit.
connected.
So
Damn, Huli.
Hooli moved in
Who
from
you
Gangstar
suck.
Gang
You
Gaming
ate
by
the
the
dust
server.
hard, dude.
Huli,
Time to kill him. I lost to a girl. Time to kill myself.
Mm-hmm.
what's your method of choice, Huli?
Smith and Weston retirement plan.
Yeah.
I hate this dumb thing though, like how you have to re-log in and put that dumb Steam guard code every time now.
You don't have to.
I
What?
don't do
How do
that.
you
Right,
not do
If
this?
you let it on, I'm sorry. If you let it
You
sign
like
in
it, Steve?
automatically, then you don't have to do it.
Fucking pleb,
so
fucking
that
pleb.
means I can't alt and stuff.
Yeah, I mean, you can sign out
Why
if
don't
you
you
want
just
afterwards.
not all like a normal person?
No,
Why
I'm
don't
not
you
a
just
normal
be a normal
person.
person, Strays?
Yeah, it's asking a lot from me, Hui.
Hey, Strays, what color are your eyes?
They are green.
Why you fucking weirdo?
Wait, aren't yours blue? What the hell?
Yeah. I'm a
That's
normal
not too
person.
far.
Strays, don't include me in your weird person traits. Alright? Blue's
Aw,
normal.
So sad.
Could you essentially like use your RAM to boot up faster, B? So you were telling me before that you could
Not really.
allocate RAM to like speed things up, like write speeds.
Not for boot up, but if you want to install your OS on a hard drive and you have a solid state, you can use caching to your solid state to
Mhm.
make like only the essential stuff get cached to the solid state for faster starts. But it's just easier to install on a solid state unless you're really, really tight on solid state drive
Right.
space.
Yeah,
You guys like sushi?
yeah.
You're
Oh,
always
yeah, it's
eating,
pretty good.
and yeah, sushi's alright.
Channel.
Do you like it raw
Janice.
or
All these
A
words and
sashimi?
nothing make
Yeah, I like
friend
sashimi sometimes.
DDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDDD
Just in my
haven't had it
entire life.
often enough to know.
What kind of rolls are there?
The ones that I always eat are like the baked salmon roll,
I like
the
salmon.
volcano roll.
I love salmon.
Yeah, salmon is really nice.
I hate salmon.
Oh
Salmon.
my god.
What's wrong with you,
Devin?
Devin? I'm hungry now.
Yeah, sushi's really good.
Do you put spice in your? Do you like your like sushi spicy?
Mm-mm. I feel
No?
like sushi can't be spicy.
Yeah.
Do you have rice in your sushi strays?
Mm-hmm.
Yay.
It's so good.
Is it cold
Downside.
rice?
Is it what? Cold rice?
Yeah.
No, it's warm.
Did
Oh,
I tell you
Jesus.
that I went to Buffalo Wild Wings with my old man, and we got like the hottest wings, and we couldn't fucking eat them, dude. I think we ordered like 10, and we can only eat 2 of them, dude. It was so bad. That shit
Pussy.
was hot, man. Like I was crying, dude. I was legit like tearing out of my
Do you
eyes.
eat a lot of hot stuff though?
Not really. Like I'll eat it, but like I don't like choose it every day.
Does it burn your tongue and make the taste?
It
Worse.
numbs your tongue. Well, that particular wing numbed my tongue. It was pretty bad, but it was good. Afterwards, it felt really good, especially because I went outside and it was cold, so it was nice.
I put too much hot sauce in my food one day, and it like really hurt to eat it, but it was like the only thing I had to eat.
Mm-hmm.
So I kept eating it, and then like later on that day, I was fucking shitting out. And what?
You know, you told us yesterday, remember?
Pick my ass?
Yeah.
Oh
No, I only did that.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, Chris.
It's all liquidy too. I'm not hungry.
No.
The part that got me was like after a few shits, like it just hurt to shit, cause like it was just really fucking, you know, hot.
Oh my goodness, Devin. You're so graphic.
Can you imagine that?
Yo, what kind of wallpapers do you guys have? I'm curious now.
I don't even have one.
Nature.
Yeah.
And sometimes
Computer.
solid.
Post.
Yeah, I
everyone,
have nature.
everyone post your wallpapers.
You want to see my wallpaper?
Post your desktops. Let's see them.
I have to first hide my porn. 1 second.
Oh, me too.
Oh, Jesus, you fucking. Oh. We would have to hide his, you know, horse porn.
I like your wallpaper, B. I like fractals. They're pretty cool.
Thank you.
Hooli taught me fractals.
Wait, mine is kind of messed up. I'm gonna fix mine.
Okay.
Hey, you remember that Geyzo I sent you?
The what?
The
Which
Geyzo I
one?
sent you before I went to bed last night?
When you told me don't masturbate?
Channel. Holy.
Yeah, Huli
Link to
informed me that right as I
i.mgr.com.
asked him that question, he was coming.
Really?
That's what he said, ain't that right, Huli?
Who posted first?
I did.
Really? Okay, let's see.
Channel.
Bitches.
Link
Nice,
to
dude.
gyizo.com.
You guys Martin?
The Windows 10 background.
You didn't even change it.
You guys like that?
No.
That's hot.
Alright, here's mine.
Disgusting.
Channel.
This one's mine.
Oak. link to i.img or .com.
That's gross.
Is it?
Yeah, that's gross. You need something more aesthetic like Mine Oak.
Is that like a Chinese tiger?
Your
Mhm.
name's Aaron Smith. I'm gonna fucking find you.
B, do you like drugs? Yeah, you seem like you like drugs.
Yo, you know the music scene video, Willie? He's actually the one that showed me that one.
Yeah.
So he loves that stuff. Yo, I think you guys would make good friends, dude. if you
Drugs are
guys,
bad.
You really like some drugs, dude. You like some LSDs.
I don't know if you guys know this, but drugs are bad. They're really bad for you.
All drugs, no exceptions.
Every single drug.
Channel.
I googled Aaron
Dennis,
Smith and I got this
link
guy.
to media.allblacks.com. Channel. Dennis. VVV.
Looking good, dude.
Channel. Clappertite. Link to post.img.
It's like a
I'm gonna
Sonic
click
player.
it. Okay, well, media.allblacks.com kind of like leads you to think it's gonna be something different than that. Nice, Trace.
Thank you. It's usually a gray background.
Oh, cool.
Channel.
I also
Dennis,
just found this when I
link to
googled Aaron Smith.
static.wixstatic.com.
Yo, it's a nice shot.
That's definitely.
Do you know
Aaron
where
Smith.
this is at? The shot was taken? Trace?
Oh, which shot? Oh, this one?
Mm-hmm.
No, I found it on DeviantArt.
Oh, okay.
I actually had a really good one, but I can't find it anymore.
Hmm.
Trace. When I was a little kid, I pronounced deviant. Diving.
You like the toolbar that size? I
Done.
like
Yeah.
my toolbar a bit smaller.
Or I pronounced it
What
divine.
toolbar? Wait, what toolbar are you talking about?
The bottom toolbar.
How did you make yours smaller?
You can right click it and then hold on.
What?
Yeah, right click it, go to properties, and then just use the small taskbar buttons.
It's pretty.
It's neat, huh?
It's I don't know. I'm not a big fan. It doesn't really speak to me.
Oh my god, this is so awesome!
Yeah, you can make the folders too smaller.
What?
Yeah, you just hold CTRL and then use
I'm
the
such a
mouse wheel,
noob. Wait, one second. I hold CTRL.
and then use your mouse wheel to make them bigger or smaller.
Wow!
And that's also how you zoom on web
This is
pages.
amazing! Wow! Now it looks even better and
Yeah.
tidier.
Yeah.
Thank you.
No problem. I really like the minimalist style.
Yeah.
I don't have
that's,
anything in my background.
Exactly.
So I have everything in the taskbar. So pretty nice.
I need to access these no matter what, so I keep it on my desktop now.
Yeah. I understand.
I actually had a custom dock from DeviantArt, which I installed,